Hi, today I'm doing a quick scan on a 2011 on an 11 plate Kia Ceed 1.6 turbo diesel. And here we have the engine system status light, system status page, sorry. Engine lights off. There's one code found, and I'm just going to see what that code is, so I'm just going to click OK. I'm just going to read codes. And I'm just going to go into stored codes. And we have P0404, and the cause is exhaust gas recirculation control circuit range performance. I'm just going to leave the code there and inform the customer. Thanks for watching. Bye.